Good morning, everyone. Let's start with the chapter number 3 of social science class, 4th. The name of chapter is Himalayas, the northern plains of India. The northern mountain of India is the name of this chapter. So, in this chapter, we will know about the northern side. Himalayas stretch across the northern boundary of India. These are highest mountain. Okay, children. So these are highest mountains in the world. They stretch from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. They form a natural boundary between India and China. The Himalayan ranges passes through many Indian states. They are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh and other northeast states. So next, the Himalayas can be divided into three parallel ranges with large valleys. The Great Himalayas or Himadri, the Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, and the Lower Himalayas of Sivalik. The mountains decrease in height from west to east. The Himadri is the highest range of Himalayas. So children, this is the important facts. So you have to remember it. The Himadri is the highest range of Himalaya. It has the highest peak of the world. Okay children. And the lesser Himalayas, the Himachal. And here the Himachal range is found between the Himadri and the Sivalik. Okay, and mountains in the range are not very high enough. In winters, see snow falls and summers are cool and pleasant. So these are features of northern Himalayas. And so here the great Himalayas or Himadri. We will know about the Himadri. The Himadri is the northernmost range. Its average height is over 6,000 meters above the sea level. It contains the highest peaks. Mount Everest, the highest peak of the world, lies in this range in the Nepal. Other highest peaks are Mount K2, Kanchenjunga and the Annapurna. Okay, children, the mountains here are always covered with snow. The climate is very cold throughout of these years. Okay, so now we will know about the Himachal range. Many beautiful hill stations such as Simla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora, and Darjeeling are located in this range. So here you can see the picture. Okay children, so these are different states and different places. So now you will know about the range. A range has thick forest of pine, oak, deodar and fire trees. So that side you will find this type of trees like the pine, oak, deodar and fire trees. So now snow skiing. It has some beautiful valleys such as the valleys of Kashmir, Kullu and Kangra. So this is the picture of Kullu, Kangra and Kashmir. This is a beautiful place for visiting here. Okay children. So now we will know about the glaciers of these range give rise so many big rivers such as the Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Indus and Brahmaputra. This is the holy rivers. Okay, so the lower Himalayas or Sivalik. You can see the lower Himalayas or Sivalik. Both name are same. The Sivalik is the southernmost and the lowest range of the Himalaya. The areas at the foothills of the Sivalik range is called the Tarai region. This area has thick forest and many varieties of wildlife. And the climate is suitable for growing crops. The rainfall is heavy. Many fruit trees such as apples, pears, and apricot, cherry grow here. steps are cut out of the slopes of hills for farming, which is known as terrace farming. Crops grow here are rice, maize, sugar cane, and potatoes. Because of the pleasant climates, people love to visit these hills station in summer. Some important passes are found in the range. Okay children, that's why this is very beautiful place and the important place of northern area. Near you can see the picture of Gangotri where the गंगा क्या यहाँ से गंगा निकला हुआ है. दिस इज द you can see the started from Ganga from here, Gangotri. And you can see the picture of Edmund Hillary. Okay, it is a visitor of Himalaya. And who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? The name of Bachendri Pal in 1984. She is the first Indian woman. Okay children, and now adventurers who climbed the Himadri. The name Tenzing Norgay of India, Edmund Hillary of New Zealand were the first to climb Mount Everest in 1958. This is the important fact and you have to remember it. So here you can see the picture of Tenzing Norgay. Thank you children. Have a nice day.